The Grand Blanc Community Schools Board of Education unanimously approved a resolution to place the Sinking Fund Renewal proposal on the May 6, 2025 ballot. The Sinking Fund provides us with an interest-free, pay-as-you-go method for funding repairs and improvements to our district's buildings and facilities without incurring debt. The first Sinking Fund proposal was approved by voters in 1975, and for 50 years since, the voters have approved 10 consecutive renewal proposals from 1975 to 2019. The community's overwhelming support during the past 50 years has provided Grand Blanc Community Schools with an uninterrupted source of revenue for HVAC and technology upgrades, resurfacing parking lots, replacing roofs, and installing new security systems. Renewal of the Sinking Fund ballot proposal on May 6, 2025 would allow the district to continue its planned upgrades and repair schedule, including installing a new chiller at Mason Elementary, upgrading boiler control and utility control systems in all K-12 school buildings, resurfacing the east parking lot at Reed Elementary, the bus loading zones at Myers, the teachers' parking lot at Brendel, and the parking lots at East and West Middle Schools. Replacing the roofs at Anderson, Myers, and Reed Elementaries, reconfiguring the exterior entrance and installing a new security system at Grand Blanc High School's East Campus. If approved, the Sinking Fund tax rate would renew at the current authorized level of 0.9915 mils, or 99 cents per $1,000 of equalized valuation for a period of 10 years, 2025 through 2035. The renewal of a sinking fund will not increase property taxes. Renewal of the 11th consecutive Sinking Fund proposal on May 6th will allow Grand Blanc Community Schools to continue to address essential improvement and repair issues before they become more costly problems. This proactive approach keeps our buildings and facilities in excellent condition and ensures a learning environment where our students and teachers remain safe, warm, and dry. Remember to vote on May 6, 2025.